Hey, I'm back. I just want to warn you before I begin, I've run out of places in my small apartment to film, so we're going to have to figure out some new things. Aside from that, this week we're going to be talking about the benefits of hybrid education. Here at CMU, we have what are called hybrid classes. The way they work is the class is part online and part in class. Take, for example, a Monday, Wednesday, Friday class. You'll meet in person with the instructor on Monday, Wednesday, and typically on Fridays you'll have an online assignment or other online activities that you can do during the week. This means you have the same amount of work, but it's spread out so you can do some of it at home and some of it with the professors at school. If you're interested in taking online classes, you can look at the registry and see which classes are online, and they're denoted by a hybrid tag. If you're not a fan of in-person classes or online classes, hybrid classes might not be the best for you. You have to decide on that. If you don't like having any assignments online, then a hybrid class certainly isn't for you. Or if you can't come to school, a hybrid class is also certainly not for you. Hybrid education has a lot of benefits. It seeks to merge online classes and in-person classes and all of their best assets. If you feel like you're interested in that, when they're available, check out hybrid classes here at CMU.